Good morning, all of you. Good morning, everyone, once
Good
again.
Good morning, Renu ma'am.
Good morning. So, are you all ready
morning,
for your
Renu.
today's class? You all are prepared with your tables. You all have learned the tables, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, today we will revise the table. I will ask in the
Yes,
dodging
ma'am.
form table of 17 and table of 18. Meantime, the others also will join. Okay, we'll start. Please open your people's column and be ready with your mic
Ma'am,
open. Yes, Kabir.
ma'am, ma'am, I don't know to remember the. I don't know you are taking the oral test of table. I don't know the table of 11 and 18.
You don't know the table of 17 and 18?
Yeah,
You do one
sorry.
thing.
Yeah,
You
what?
do one thing, open your notebook and write the table of 17 and 18. I will take your oral tomorrow. Others also, please start writing table of 17 and 18 in your notebooks again. If you have already done, then also you have to do it again. Okay, start writing in your notebooks table of 17 and 18. He has any difficulty, any problem that you have raised your hand?
No, actually, ma'am, it is the
Ma'am, it
Still,
automatically get
yeah,
raised the hand.
she
yeah,
is
yeah.
having problem with the
Okay, okay.
that is why.
Next is Arna Agarwal. Arna,
Yes, ma'am.
Arna Agarwal. 17 threesa. Arna 17 threesa. Should I move to next child? Is Arna audible to everyone?
Yes,
No, ma'am, she's not
No,
ma'am.
talking
ma'am,
on
I
mute.
think she's got stuck up.
I'll go to next child. Once she will be okay, then I'll come back. Anubhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Anubhavi 17 forza.
17 fours are 68.
17 forza 68. Yes. Aurav Agarwal. 17 sixa. Both are having difficulty.
Ma'am, she have wrote in chat box. Arna have wrote in chat box.
Okay. Aurav also facing difficulty with the net issues. Aurav,
I don't know, ma'am. He is also not responding.
Daksh Patel. Daksh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh 17 threesa.
17 Teresa.
Everyone, please write table of
Ma'am,
17 and 18 in your
can you
notebooks.
hear me? Ma'am, yesterday I have written 17 tables. Ma'am, can you hear me? 18.
Again. If you have already done, then also you have to write it again. Please mute your mic. Aurav, I will come back to you. Please. Okay, good. Aurav. Okay, I got your answer in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Mute your
51.
mic now. Huh. Aurav, mute your mic now. Aurav, please mute your mic. Daksh Patel.
Ma'am, 51.
Okay, I will move to the next child. Darsh Sonawala. Darsh Sonawala.
There he is on the sofa yawning.
Please, Darsh, turn on your mic and camera.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Darsh, turn on your camera, please.
Yes, ma'am.
17 sevenza.
17 sevens, sir.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 17 sevens are 119.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah. Yes, Aurav. Aurav,
Or
please.
is facing network problem, ma'am.
Hmm. Log out, Aurav. Log out and log in again. Next is after Darsh. I will again come to the name Aheli.
Yes, ma'am.
Aheli,
Yes, ma'am.
17 8
17, 8, ma'am. 136.
Right also tables. Arav Palaskar. Arav Palaskar.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav 17 9
153. 153.
53. Arush Verma.
Both.
Yes,
Arush 17 5
Yes, ma'am.
17 5
17 5 are 85.
Next is Advika Agarwal. Advika 17 8 Advika. Arna, I got your answer. You mute yourself, please. Advika.
Advika is there, but no camera is also not.
Next is Anubhavi done. Aryan Agarwal.
Yeah, ma'am.
Aryan 17 7
119. 119.
Daksh Patel is done. Dheer Pipalia. Dheer
Yes, ma'am.
17 4
Ma'am, 68.
Dhruvi
Yes, ma'am.
17 6
102.
Ishana
Yes, ma'am.
17 8
17 8 is 136.
Hasti Ranpura. Hasti 17 6
108.
Hasti fast 17 6 Vivan Patel, what are you doing in my class? I told you to write the tables in your notebook. Write table of 17 and 18 in your notebook, please.
102.
He has left the meeting.
Yes. He has one solution only.
I don't think he is really looking at your class. He is looking at something else in the YouTube.
I don't know what he do. In class also, in assessments also, he's having the same thing.
Yes, Bihan, please.
Vihan, please go.
Ma'am.
Yes, Pranshu.
Ma'am, I have done 18, 19 table.
Very good. Hiya Hapani. Hiya 17 7
Ma'am, 109.
109. 119. Jaiwal
Yes, ma'am.
17 8
17, 8, 136.
Kabir Balar. Kabir. I will ask.
Yeah.
Kabir, you will tell me 17 2
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. 34.
Ma'am, I told the tables.
35.
Yes, 34 is right.
Yeah.
Next is Kanan Lunia.
Yes,
Kanan
ma'am.
17 5
17 5 yeah. 17 5 is 85.
Krishita
Yes, ma'am.
Krishita 17 7
17 7.
Krishita, what this background voice is coming from your side? Mute your mic, please. Lot of voices coming from your side. Please look this. 17 sevens are.
119.
Mute your mic, please now. Next is Mannat.
Yes, ma'am.
17 nines are.
17 nines are 153.
Mayank. Mantra,
Yes,
sorry.
ma'am.
Mantra.
Yes, ma'am.
17 six are.
17 6 of 102.
Mayank.
Yes, ma'am.
17 fives are.
17 5 85.
Kanan, sit properly at one place. Yeah, 85 is right. Maisha. 17 eights are.
17 eights are 136.
Neeral Chandani. Neeral Chandani. Neeral, you log in with two IDs also and you are not responding even with the one. Why you log in with the two IDs? Neeral, why? Yes. Now Neeral, give me the answer. 17 threes are. Neeral.
Ma'am, 51.
Next is Nishika.
Yes, ma'am.
17 six are.
Ma'am, 102.
Yes. Om Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
17 eights are.
136.
Prakriti.
Yes, ma'am.
17 nines are.
153.
Pranshu. 17 fours are.
68.
Preet.
Yes, ma'am.
17 six are.
102.
Prithvi.
Yes.
17 sevens are.
17 sevens are 119. 109.
Mute your mic, everyone, please. Vivan Patel. Vivan Patel, you are in my class and still you are doing the same thing. Yes, ma'am, he left the meeting now. Please don't allow him to enter now.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is Purv. Purv 17 Faiza.
17 5 85.
Riva Angan.
Yes,
Riva
ma'am.
17 Sevenza.
17 sevens are 119.
Ridhima
Yes, ma'am.
17 Eights. Ridhima 17 Eights.
Ma'am, 136.
Rudra Jalodra
Yes, ma'am.
17 Nines.
Ma'am, 153.
Swara
Yes, ma'am.
17 Six.
So 102.
102. Yes. Now after Swara, those who are there, please stay. I will ask them in the meantime. Okay. In between, after my this concept, when after this revision of the volume topic, and then I will ask again. Tejasvi, Trisha, Vedant, Vihan, your chance will come. Vivan, again you have joined, and again I am giving you a warning that please turn on your camera and sit properly and write in the notebooks. Vivan, are you listening me? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your camera, please, my dear. Turn on your camera.
Ma'am, can I show you my work?
Wait. Vivan, turn on your camera, please.
He is going to take his book.
It was showing only, no, that he is without books and notebooks.
Yeah, he
It's
in every each and every math class, whether it is you or it is Kanak ma'am, he is just simply sitting and I don't know, gazing at something.
His presentation is like this only. Okay, good, good. Those who are showing me. That's Sonawala, yes. Put it down. Now open your notebooks now. I'll give you few sums. Solve this based on the volume topic.
Ma'am, she have written in the notebook.
Yes. Find. Very good, Pranshu. Find the volume length is equals to 8.5, breadth equals to 6, and the height equals to 4 centimeter. Find the volume. This figure is cube or cuboid? Please write in the chat box.
Sarah and Eva, is this the time to join the class?
Ma'am, I had gone to washroom.
This is a cuboid because length, breadth, and height, all the three are different. Now, please solve it. Write the formula first and then find out what is the volume of this figure. Find out fast. Find out fast and write the answer in the chat box. Now, I will ask, please write the unit also, Vedansh. I don't know what the number this is about. It's about rupees, about kilometer, about meter. I don't know what it is about. Unit is already here given. So instead of using word unit, you use the correct unit which is given to you. Okay. Sarah, as I was taking the oral of tables, so you tell me what is 17 eighths? Sarah, what is 17 eighths?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
17
Eighths. What is 17 eighths?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Learn tables,
Ma'am, wait,
please. Learn tables. Tejasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tejasvi, 17 nines.
153.
Trisha. Trisha,
Yes, ma'am.
17 sevens.
119.
Vedansh. Vedansh, 17 eighths.
Ma'am, 136.
Renu ma'am, both
Yes.
Daksh are there today.
Good to see them.
Yeah, no, only
What
both are there. I don't know. One is only there. Which Daksh Patel is there in the class, please?
Before it was Bhavesh Patel only.
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh, Manoj Patel also had joined.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, you got my answer?
I will check, my dear.
Okay.
Find the volume of a cube of a side 4 centimeter. Let me see the chat box. Those who are writing in the chat. Yes, the answer spelling is wrong. Cubic centimeter ki spelling is wrong.
Ma'am, what is the question inside?
Find the volume of a cube of side equals to 4 centimeter. Find the volume. Only one side is given because it's a cube. Next is
4 cubic centimeter.
64 cubic centimeter.
Ma'am, 16 fourths is 64.
The answer of this one is 204 cubic centimeter. And Pranch, who wants to speak? Pranchu,
Pranshu, mute yourself, beta. Write in the
Ma'am,
chat
by
box.
mistake it will be on, ma'am.
Okay.
the answer of first one is 204 cubic centimeter. The answer of second is 64 cubic centimeter. If you have done, so I will erase and I'll write the other question. Please do it fast. Can I erase the first one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Kabir, you know the formula of finding the volume of cube and cuboid? The formula of finding the volume of cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. You need to multiply these three. Okay. 8.5 multiplied by 6, whatever the answer you will get, then multiply by 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can multiply by like this. 4 6 we can also multiply that.
Yes. 4 6 are
So
24.
six,
Then what?
We can multiply like the ulta.
But it should come length, breadth, and height in the same sequence. Then it will be clear to you. Okay.
New formula you got, Renu ma'am, ulta siddha.
He tries to ask that in any other form we can multiply and get the same answer. Okay, the next is
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't understand the first one. Can you please tell me?
Vrishang, it was 8.5 multiplied by Tilan, please write the length, breadth, and height in the chat box so that he will try to multiply Vrishang. Vrishang, I was telling you from the beginning that please learn how to multiply the decimal numbers. Vrishang, are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
I told you before also when you were asking, ma'am, I don't know the decimal number multiplication, learn the multiplication of decimal numbers. Ignore the decimal first and multiply their unit. And at last, put the decimal.
Ma'am, but I'm getting different answers.
See, it was 8.5 multiplied by 6 multiplied by what was the last 4, right? So multiply
Yes,
85 multiplied by 6, whatever the answer you will get, multiply it with the 4. The final answer which you will get, then put the decimal in the final answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Area is given to you and the height is given to you. And the height is 4 meter. So if when area and height is given to you, in that case, what you will do?
Area multiplied by height.
Ma'am, we will multiply both.
Yes. Because area is already from length multiplied by breadth. So length multiplied by breadth is already done for you. You just need to multiply this with the height now. So 16 multiplied by 4. Get the answer and tell me what is the answer.
I'm 64
Ma'am.
cubic meter.
Ma'am, I said first.
Write the answer in the chat box. So the answer for this is area multiplied by height. When you do, the answer will be 64 cubic meter will come, not centimeter, because here the unit is meter. You children are writing centimeter. Please pay attention on the unit.
Ma'am, I have written meter.
Very good then, Pranshu.
Ma'am, if we know table, we can do as fast as.
A cubical box has a volume of 125 cubic meter. What would be the measure of its side? Now here you have to find out, you have to think which number has to multiply 3 times to give you 125 as the volume of a cube, because it's a cubical, it's a cube box. So you, in this there is no formula. In this there is no formula.
Ma'am, 25.
No, if you multiply 25 multiply by 25 multiply by 25 3 times.
5.
Yes.
Ma'am, 5.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you please side your boards? I cannot see. Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am,
check.
little. Ma'am, I cannot see still. Ma'am, little.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is
visible.
clear enough.
Ma'am, it's
We can
visible.
see it is visible.
Prishant, please,
Okay,
my dear, pin on my board screen. Pin on
Ma'am,
my board screen.
Ma'am, I have pinned, but I can only see half of the letter.
Maybe some network issues are there with you.
Ma'am, now I can see.
Excuse me,
Ma'am?
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
can you say what is written after would be the?
Would be the measure. M-E-A-S-U-R-E, measure.
Okay.
M-E-A-S-U-R-E, measure of its side. Means a
Thank you.
cubical box which is having all the 3 dimensional same, because it's a cube. So the volume is already given here, 125. Now you have to think which unit, which number you have to multiply 3 times so that you will get 125.
Ma'am?
Yes, Kabir.
Ma'am, when is the maths exam?
Maths assessment is on Friday. 2 chapters I will ask. It is there in the classroom. You just go to the classroom.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, after 125 cubic, what you have written, meter or centimeter?
Meter. Find the, what would be the measure of its side? Please write the answer in the chat box. Yes, it will be 5. Yes, it will be 5. So when you multiply 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 3 times, the answer will be 125 is coming. So the side is 5. If you want to check your answer by multiplying 3 times 5, so you will get 125 cubic meters. So the side equals to 5 meters. Am I clear with you all? This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When this type of question is coming to you, you need to try, think. Yes, Kabir.
How many times to multiply 5?
3 times, because we are finding the volume of a cube, and cube is having 3-dimensional length, breadth and height.
Just Ruparelia, adjust yourself, beta. Put your mobile at stable place.
See, on the basis of this, I will send few questions in the classroom also today as your home assignment. Once you complete this, I have a quiz for you all based on the volume topic. So I am put. You are done? Done? Okay. Let me take 1 or 2 minutes the oral of the students, those who are left, and then I will put the link in the chat box for your this quiz. Okay. Vedansh, till Vedansh we have done. Vihan Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
17 sevens.
Ma'am, 17 sevens are 119.
Vivan Patel. 17 fives are Vivan Patel.
17 5 होगा
Hoga, what hoga?
85.
Looking and searching somewhere on the screen.
He is definitely seeing another device and looking at you in another device.
Ma'am.
When you
Vrisha,
he was writing nothing and he was smiling.
Yes.
I don't know किस पर मुस्कुरा रहा था वो.
Yes, ma'am.
you are done only tables.
Vivan,
Vivan. I have done 4 questions also in the
don't
class.
act smart. Ma'am has already done so many questions.
Ma'am,
None
your
of them
hand
are
is
written.
hiding the question.
Yes, Vrishank, tell me. 17 eights are
136.
Vrushika. Vrushika.
Yes, ma'am.
17 sevens are
17
sevens are
119.
Yash Malhotra.
show my work?
Yes, yes, please.
Yes.
Very good, good, good.
Yes.
Children, show me your notebook, everyone, if you've completed.
Some questions. The questions are tables.
No, the questions which we have done, 4 questions.
Ma'am?
And even tables also. Yes.
Ma'am,
My
Yes, volume, 4 questions.
Ma'am?
Yash Malhotra, tell me.
ma'am.
Yes, Kabir, I can see. I can
Ma'am?
see.
ma'am, my first two their formula is not done. First two formula question, not done.
Next
Can you
is,
see my?
yes, put your notebooks down now. Yash Malhotra,
Yes, ma'am.
17 6.
17 6 102.
Yashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
17 5.
17 5. 85.
Good. So now it's time to start the quiz. Everyone be ready. Close your notebooks, put it aside. I'm going to post the link in the chat box.
Ma'am, it is related to tables.
No, it's related to your volume topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. I got the first question.
You got the answer of the first?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. I
when
did
you are
a
sending
mistake in 85 into 6.
Good.
I wrote by mistakenly wrote 570. So I got a long.
Now fast log in the quiz. Fast. And write your name only, children. Write your name. Log in with your name only. You will not use any code, any number, any different name. Log in, Tejasvi. Log in the quiz fast. I'm going to start it.
Ma'am, can you send the link again?
Ma'am, I am logged in only.
Log in fast now. Link is there now, Rushika. Write your name only.
Fine.
Rushika, I have posted the link. Children, within 1 minute, I'll start the quiz now. Fast login. Log in fast, my dear children, please.
Ma'am, ma'am. I had network issues, so I was left. Can you send again?
Children, now you able to enter in the quiz?
Yes, ma'am. It has already started also.
Yes, I started. So children, please now start doing.
Ma'am, send.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Rushika, now wait, I will present my screen. And in case if you log in with the code which is given, then you only will able to log in. Otherwise, you will not able to log in. You please try.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the first question is volume review. Show what you know.
Yes,
ma'am.
Showing that.
What we have to do in that?
You will not, you're not able to write anything in that.
No, ma'am.
No,
So go to the next. Go to the next.
Ma'am, can't go to.
Can't go to the next one.
Go to the next slide.
Cannot go, ma'am. It's not showing any option to go to
Now
the
wait,
next
wait,
one.
wait, wait, wait. It is
Ma'am,
coming.
we have to click on that number.
Now it is coming.
Ma'am, we have to click
Ma'am,
on
I
that
got first question.
number.
What is the formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism and the cube?
Don't ask the question. Whatever the answer you know, you click.
A length.
Mute yourself, everyone.
Rushika, one code it is showing. You put this code.
Ma'am, it is not that. It is not doing. What is the formula?
Krishang, mute yourself, please. Madhuri, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
are they able to enter and solve the questions?
Ma'am, for this.
I have already entered and done the second one, but it is not moving on further.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, Renu Punjabi ma'am, when you will go on second question, our also will go on.
Okay, for first, I am not able to see the arrow here.
Ma'am, can I present
You need to sync with us. That is why.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Can I present and show you what is happening?
No. I understood what is happening. It's not going, ma'am?
No, it's not allowing to sync. I am also stuck on the second one.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, it is not going from first one in my.
It says click about to sync with the teacher's screen. I think you need also to play with us.
Okay. Actually, I didn't face this kind of situation before.
Anubhavi dear, you are not supposed to eat in the class. अब खा लो वरना गले में अटक जाएगा.
Is next slide coming now? Wait, I have already started.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Now it is started. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I got the third question.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to get 0 only.
Should I move to the next now, children?
Others are still answering you as it is coming like that. I'm
Ma'am, it's
definitely
showing
going to
that
get 0.
waiting for others to answer submitted.
Okay.
Yeah, it's coming like that in mine also.
My
In my first coming, others are still answering.
Yeah, within 1 or 2 seconds it will stop.
way to go.
Now is stop. Time up. Next slide. It's showing the leaderboard now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question has come.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done already.
Ma'am, done.
Rank second.
Good.
Ma'am, it is showing now that.
Ma'am, can you go to the next slide?
Yes, yes. Once the time will up, only then only I will able to go.
Ma'am, why it is taking so much of time to go on second?
They are giving you time limit.
Ma'am,
Renu ma'am, you can adjust, you can control
Okay.
the timings, na?
Yes, yes.
ma'am, in last one I have done which has the least one and the by mistake. I read that.
It shows that how much attentive you are.
Ma'am, I am on the first position.
Ma'am, fifth. Because last one I have done
Josh,
wrong.
Ruparelia, others also doing, my dear. So now I'm moving to the next question, my dear children.
Ma'am, my that crash. Ma'am,
Yes.
my that crash.
What
I
crash?
just crashed. I can see I crashed. That
Renu
thing.
ma'am, Josh Ruparelia will have all sorts of problem. In the assessment, I came to know him very well.
Yeah. Children, I'm
Everything,
moving. Time
everything
up.
crashes with him on.
Ma'am, is everything crashes only?
Ma'am, my Chrome, why do I don't know?
Stop, Josh Ruparelia. Stop. This is the last question I will play.
Can I answer the question?
You can see the lead board also. I'll scroll it down also. You can see your answers also. Okay. So we have done with the revision. And
Ma'am, can you
yeah.
show name first and
Ma'am, but
second
there are
and third?
Yes, ma'am. Can you show who is first, second, third?
Rudra Jalod. In this, it is not completely showing. It was showing with the each and every question. Okay.
Ma'am, so means I'm saying that you can at least see that who is first, second, third.
Ma'am, in mine, I am showing second.
There are
Ma'am, in mine, I am showing second.
I mean,
My dear children, will you mute yourself for a while?